But I should ask it.
Bob, I don't give you afternoon food.
Get up. Hey! Get out from here. Get out. John. See, come. You know the shame. You don't hear when they chop everything. All your food. Talk, you know, report, you know they give. Action, you know they take. If you reach my own turn, provide for me, oh. Provide for me, oh. I'm warning you now. I'm back. I touch the goat. Nobody never sleep with the sleep.
I never sleep. I have never seen a goat sleeping on a bed before.
You learn that today now.
You are mad. You are crazy.
I wish you the same.
You are out of your head. You need deliverance.
Don't go bring pastor into this case. You see the insult where they give because of you? You see the insult?
My people, you are welcome. Our elders used to say, and still say, that where a child is sitting, crying and pointing, if the mother is not there, the father must be there. Our sister here,
the wife,
came reporting a very serious incident happening in a marital abode. Let's hear from the horse's own mouth.
Horse, talk.
My elders, I greet you all. My husband left the village to the city and returned with a goat. Morning, afternoon and evening, he's with the goat. He actually feeds the goat with the kind of food I have never tasted nor seen ever since I was born. He even sleeps with the goat on a matrimonial bed. Can you imagine? He actually,
this guy sleep.
He actually loves the goat more than he loves me. And he treats the goat as if he were his son.
You get that one?
She is even jealous of the goat.
Please, if there is something wrong with him, let us see to it now. Thank you.
This is unbelievable. The other time, I saw him talking to the same goat. And when I asked him what was wrong, he said, hey, my friend, you are sick. You need to be taken to the hospital.
You to the hospital?
Yes! That is why he said that I should be taken to the hospital.
My people, the thing where Ajovito no be saying hears. The people for this village have witnessed this bizarre incident. Even me. I saw it. So it is high time we ask this our uncle if there's anything wrong with him before he enter market.
So this is why I called the meeting. Huh? Anyway, where they go, we will talk. Bros, I call you like a friend, diagnose you, tell you for free that you are sick. You are still carrying about your sickness. As for you, I don't even know your name. It is your great-grandmother and father that are blind. I will run enter markets.
Didn't I say it? Didn't I say it?
It's obvious.
Oh, you well?
Mbukwa, if I face you, just remove your... If I face you, I will remove you from your husband's house. Because I know all your secrets. Just shut up. I hope you are not referring to my investment.
what you call your investment?
I'm convinced. Elders, after a competent research, I have an answer to his problem.
Praise God. Tell us so.
Papo, you are suffering from coccidiosis. In fact, you have lost your mental faculty.
Tell him.
Well,
Tell
it's
him.
true. You got your investment. We have lost you. Your mental faculty is vanished.
That is it.
He talks to the goat.
So when other people they talk now, your father will say, I get son. You will come out.
Papo, is it me you are talking to?
I'm sorry. You are good for sacrifice. Me I just they go.
Hey, look at what he's saying.
Papo, is it me you are talking to?
I better get away.
Papo,
Auntie Ajovi.
I don't want to touch your teeth because all of them are like bread. I don't just go.
I can't stand this insult.
Of course.
I'm going.
Continue with them.
Papo!
I'm sure he's sick.
I told you.
Auntie Ajovi.
Auntie
told
Ajovi,
You are disappointed black man.
beg to leave.
Azovi. My teeth is like bread. I can't stand it.
Can you imagine?
So you are going.
My sister, we have tried our best. Now pray you go pray. I will make sure to say Holy Mary. I will pray for you every day. Come on. Sorry.
Where this idiot? What the mama? What the?
Yes, Papa.
Why do you leave this baby alone? Are you mad?
Because he told me that he want to drink me.
He told you with his mouth.
Yeah.
Hi.
I swear, Papa.
My Pekin. Right? My Pekin is finished. Goat called you by your name and told you that you want to drink.
I swear, Papa.
What drink, Mama? You are finished. You are just finished like fear. I told you before, if I'm not around, be with this boy. Something can begin to happen anytime. You take care of it. You refuse to listen. Anytime I leave, you leave. It's unfortunate. Just move. Also, our time don't reach you. Don't reach. Nothing remain again. Any hungry when they hope. You know they kill. Battery. Battery, Mama. Come and give me. That's something I just. Let me give it. Battery. What's your sleep? Battery. Battery. I don't.
What is it? What? What is wrong? Huh? I'm not sick.
Hey! You can say me. Hey!
Do I look like Ozzy's skipper?
Hey!
What a good
Where's
laugh.
Ozzy?
I've not seen him.
Where's you?
He said I've not seen him.
Where's you?
I've not seen him.
Where is he?
I've not seen
Hey!
him.
Hey! Hey! I will commit suicide. Where's Ozzy?
Go ahead.
Anybody in this town, if you have in mind to carry Ozzy, if you won't carry him, if you won't send anybody, hey, if your hand there inside, or your hand one day, or somebody they tell you, or you they whisper them to somebody, say Ozzy no go leave, you don't finish. Hey! I said it.
Hey!
It's better say your hand not there inside though.
Hey!
If I love Ozzy, I don't see Ozzy. Hey! Okay. Come here.
Hey!
Anybody! Hey! Trouble!
I'm begging you. I'm begging you. Please. Take my husband to the shrine. I'm begging you.
Shrine, eh?
Yes, there's something wrong with him. I simply don't understand. I'm disturbed. I don't. You see?
What have I done? My brothers, when they here. Thank God. Thank God. When I see Ozzy, thank God you are here, my brother. See?
Yes.
Now see Ozzy. Ozzy.
We see Ozzy.
When I see him, you make hey! Grab him. Take and go. Take and go. Wait. Go. Now, take him. Let it go. Hey! Wait. Like this. Take and go. Wait. Take and go. This go to one and say yes, oh. Now my money carry, oh. They tell me say you go give me money, oh. That's why I feed them. I beg. I don't dey craze. I don't even want craze. I never craze one day. It not even dey my dictionary to craze. I don't even like craze at all. Ajua. Hey. Ajua. Come and tie me out. Oh my God. My dear.
So what happened?
Now that day when you carry me come back, that day I dodge. This boy will meet me for bar one day when he named Nakuta. He said they go show me how to get money. I follow them all. Yes. Do you have this drink? Amarula.
How many shots?
Shots. Do I look like somebody that drinks shots? Go and give me the bottle. How much? 115,000. Count it. Bring it back.
Sir, I can see you're finding more difficult to cross the road. If you don't mind, I will help you.
Oh my God, thank you very much. Oh, I don't know I will still see a very patriotic person like you. God will bless you. Everybody is just in a haste in this place. What is your name?
My name is Kunta. Yeah, I have just arrived from the abroad.
Abroad? That's where my son is. Really? All my daughters, I've sold them, they've married them finished. If not, I would have given you one.
All right.
Tomorrow, just meet me here. Whatever you want to drink, I'll give you.
No. You rather should meet me here tomorrow. Anything you will eat, I'll drink. I'll pay. I got dollars and pounds.
Hey, okay now. Hello. How are for today?
We are pushing on.
Yeah, I know.
How are you?
I'm fine. Very fine.
Are you going somewhere?
Yeah. I just get new friend for just neighbor near house. May I go? He called me for drink. May I go waste myself?
is your father's attitude of late?
No, have you noticed anything?
I just don't know what is becoming of him. He told me that he's found a new friend in the neighborhood and that he's going to waste himself.
Last night, Mr. told me he found a lot of money in his back pocket. And when he asked father, he almost left him.
I just don't understand. Have you been giving him money of late?
No, I've not. I just hope it's not Bwache's money he's lavishing.
You better go out there and talk to him. He is going
far. Nonsense. Get away. Don't.
Papa, where do you think you are going?
Who?
Where do you think you are going, eh?
Where am I going? An old man like me. You are lucky. If not that you are my beloved daughter, I would have given you a big slap.
Papa.
Allow me to rest, though.
See, this money that you are spending, I hope it's not the one Bwachi gave you to help him get the land.
The money Bwachi, my son, sent to me. Yes. I'm spending it because it's my son's money. Yes. You people should stop disturbing me, oh. Stop it, oh.
Papa, see, this city is a very terrible place. I don't want anything to happen to you, for God's sake. Please.
Thank you. Presidential advisor on security. Go and cook for your husband. If I be a wash night now, go and cook for your husband. Let me go where life the smell. Make your papa go bubble.
I've not seen such a stubborn old man like my father before. Eh? When his mates are in the village farming.
Has he really told you when he's leaving?
He is not leaving. He's not leaving until he finishes all the drinks in the city. Imagine, he has virtually emptied all the expensive drink we have in here.
Eh? I emptied your drink. So, you keep it there as milk? Or swimming pool? So now your father is insult like this? Eh? Ajwa? Hi. And you there here, they listen to my daughter, they insult me. Go ahead. That's why they receive her from your mama every day. Now they fear me again. This is what you are saying with your mouth.
Grandpa, why make I pay your food?
Go ahead and insult me. I get out. Ask you food. I beg you. Go ahead and insult me. And you, dummy. They here, they listen to your husband. They insult him, Papa. I know who they marry each other. I go where that business. Now with business.
Okay, you don't worry. I will call you back, eh? I will call you back. Thank you very much, eh? Bye-bye.
Hey.
Let me introduce you to my sister. AC. From the nursing school.
I'm Elsie.
Aye! He just inject blood into my body. Hey, my name is Eden Pato.
Okay.
A farmer in the cocoa. Let's just enjoy ourselves.
Okay.
That's your brother.
Yeah.
Alpha.
I told you about it. You don't worry about it.
Man, don't go spoil everything,
Oh,
no.
come on, no. Don't worry. When we get home, I will show you the guy.
I'm serious.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry.
Very better. Okay, now I have reason to come to your house and sleep.
No problem about that. I give it to you. I give it to you.
You hear that one?
Yeah.
Give it. Okay. They give and take affair. Thank you very much. Your brother, made me know him. I'm happy to know him. Very lucky. Open before I disorganize this compound. Open. Get out, get out.
Grandpa.
Get out, get out, get out, get out, get out. Get out. Go. Nonsense. Now I'm whatever.
I want to see open mini crab. Who? I mean open mini crab.
Mini crab?
They hold my inside.
Oh, you want to see old man?
Yes,
oh, grandpa. Maybe your friend?
Tell him his friend Kunta.
Make you go. Make you did it. And they come. Grandpa, so your friend, American man, he dey look for you. This American man.
Kente.
Yeah.
How are you?
We have to be fast because I don't want to miss this golden opportunity.
What you miss? When you talk about miss, this is when my papa told me I never miss anything. Just give me 1 minute.
Who is he looking for? Madam, I don't know. Then I see my grandpa they look for because I see the two of them they talk.
Good afternoon, Papa. No. Papa, I learned that young man is looking for you. Papa, I don't like his look.
The look is not your own look. He's looking for me. It's not your look.
He looks so weird.
Now, human being build them have been a spirit.
I do not bring people without word here. Because you're a special friend. Come, let's just go inside.
all the money and all the wealth I display here.
This animal. I can't believe it. Goat, give you money.
Because you did not believe, you have just lost your chance.
Hey. Sorry.
Where did you get this poor old man from?
Sorry.
I said, where did you get this poor old man? Take him out of this place.
Please.
I said, take him out.
Please.
Let us give him another chance. Another chance?
Yes, please. Okay. To beg is to forgive.
Make sure you don't fool around me next time.
And the grace.
You understand? I have to appease the gods. Because they are angry now. Why don't you take this man out? While I go to appease the gods.
Man carry, get that $1,000. Make we do this thing quick, come on here.
We got to be fast because this guy has the money right now. Hey, go and bring him. Go and bring him. Let's do this thing. Let's do it. Come on there. Fast. Abracadabra. Take this. Take it and drink. Drink it. Yeah, that is it. Now listen. Any kind of money you want, this goat will give it to you. Be it pound sterling, dollars, Dutch mark, or even our own city notes. This goat will give it to you.
The kind of money?
Any.
You tell her to give me dollar or pounds or CD.
Yeah. Abracadabra. Makabaya kayaba. Likaba bakozo. Makaye bokoze. Sikebe. Can you see this? Can you see that? Yeah. That's it. Yeah.
20,000 Kenyan 90 cedi.
This is real. Take it, use it, spend it, and come back. But before you go, let me warn you. Let nobody know about this deal.
And the grace, this kind of thing.
Until this goat has been able to give you money to be able to build 20 different houses in UK, in US,
thank you,
Africa.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Go and spend it. And give me the result.
You go and chop it and
go ahead. Come back. Give me the testimony.
Okay. Don't follow me.
Oh, all right.
Don't follow me.
This is real. Really.
Let's go wait for the dancers.
I don't believe. God go bless you now, man. How we do it?
Now, come with us to the chamber. Come on. Come on, after you.
Okay. I've been reading the movie before.
A boy was born on 21st November. That's my girl. A girl.
I don't.
Yes, Papa.
I'm going home.
Papa, but that is too impromptu. Why have you decided to go now? And a boy. And a girl. Papa, are you serious?
If your husband come, tell him if he come village, we'll see.
Papa, you have to wait for him to take you to the car park.
Which park? I know park. No worry.
Okay, in that case, let me take you there myself. I'm just going to pick him up.
I don't want escort.
Papa, please.
Okay, go bring her. Go.
Take Esther inside. I'm seeing Papa today at car park. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, Papa. But don't forget to extend my greetings to everybody.
Don't worry.
Especially Mama. And the message, don't forget to give it.
I won't. Very soon now, I'll be at home. Okay. Thank you.
Papa, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Just go. I want to see you go.
How much do you have in here?
15 million cities.
What about the balance?
I know. Since I will go home with the goods, I will bring it before the end of 4 weeks, just after 3 weeks. But I will be building my first house.
Okay, can I see what is inside? It's okay, it's okay. Take the bag to the room, load it, and bring it back. Okay? Be fast about it. I will give you this book, but you must treat it specially. Obituary, give him the list.
Feed it with all the contents there. All is yours.
Okay, yeah. I will.
As you go with this goat, treat it specially so that you can serve him better. And mind you, don't ever reveal the secret concerning this goat to anyone. Anyone.
I will not.
If you do, you lose your life. You understand?
Anyway, no problem. From today, my new name is Mind Your Own Business. The name for this goat from today, original currency. OC.
Lose the goat for him.
Which time will he reach? How many weeks or months will he reach?
Just 3 weeks. Do you want me to take it from you?
Thank you.
You can escort.
No escort.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Go see me. Go.
Thank you. No, please go. Thank you. Okay, bye.
Where is the one? Where is the one? But we have to leave here. Fast. Before any let's go. Fast. Because if we are not fast now, I'm here to make it. I see Yawa don't come. I don't know, say Mugu is still for this country. Mugu still plenty for this over the country. If Mugu no fall, Gaman don't go job. But as Mugu fall now, Gaman don't job. I mean, enter Cameroon, they go. Mr. Adam, you know what? Take this one, manage yourself. You hear me? From now, if anybody come here say they look for a chairman, no chairman did this. Have you seen any chairman here? That is it. And when my uncle comes back, tell her say I don't go back to school. You hear me? I beg open gate.
Make you know ya wow, otherwise the problem is that you carry yourself.
Which one you dey now wetin you dey do with go to where you dey treat like pikin which kind God be this yo abeg o explain yourself. Papo, you travel go city, go see your pikin o. Hey, Papo, now wetin you carry come back? I got you carry come back. Papo, ordinary goat. Which kind goat be this yo? where you dey treat like pikin o. Which kind God be this where you give name like pikin? You wear am cloth like pikin, you give am food like pikin, you bath the goat like pikin, you dey talk to am like pikin o. Papo papo, 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 papo. Which one you dey papo? Na wetin you dey do? With go to papo, go to where you dey treat like pikin o. Papo. Which kind God be this yo? Papo, papo.
Oh, Papa, you've disappointed me.
At least for once.
You've disappointed me so badly. Oh my God. So, you mean the 50 million? Oh my God. So, when are we going to tell Pachi?
Me I tell us I lost him.
Ha!
To arm robbers.
Papa.
I beg.
I know you to be a wise person, Papa. How can you succumb to such trap?
I see the hope that this goat must shoot something.
Ah, Papa. So don't you know it is 419?
Now 419 they do me.
Ha! Papa, so you don't know? Eh? You don't know it is 419? Ah!
With black goat.
Papa, I don't know if you will like this one.
You go talk off my face. I beg, man. Just go, leave your mama, leave that to here. Just go call chief priest, beg him, tell him everything, say. But I know the grace, oh. I know the grace. Now, as they tell me now, they do. I even swear. Thank God that they for such and they confess and make their swear no keep. I swear, oh. I beg. Man, forgive me. Forgive me, I beg. Man, I just go. Man, I go call him. Go come. I tell him everything. Help me thank your mama. Now bring everything. Hey, I will be okay. Man, I go call him. If I don't see you now, well. If I don't see you again, I'm be saying it to the whole day house. And they will be tomorrow.